Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. They call me Cap Mio. You can call me Mio na lang. I also work for Philippine Airlines as a captain. I'm also one of the co-founders, Captain Will Abo, also captain of Airbus A330. So, marami pa kami. Thank you very much to our clients. Yung iba nasa Visayas pa, dumating dito, pupunta dito sa Luzon. Thank you very much for coming. Our stakeholders, directors, and this night appreciation night is also the anniversary. So I'm also thanking my employees, my team members, my family, our family. So Tangere we will not achieve this goal without my team. Content department, market research, sales, data team, market research, Austin, being here. Thank you very much for setting this up. Thank you very much, everyone. And kung inspiring story naman, wala naman akong garbage from story. So, but what I can tell you is this. With the 8 years, what I learned is slow success builds character. Fast success builds ego. So, when you do yung short success, yung 8 years na yun, you will have struggles, you have mistakes, pero because of those mistakes, you learn. You earn knowledge. After knowledge, you get wisdom. So that's where we are right now. Wisdom. In 8 years na yun, it's wisdom already. From mistakes, from struggles, from difficulties, and also from our clients who trusted and in confidence sa company namin. So because of that, we grew bigger and bigger. Thank you very much. And also as well, we will try our best to be better. Because some of our clients, some of the companies, they say that, hey, can you make this app better? Can you add some more? We will do that. We will be better this year and the next year until Tangere will the top Pulse survey, the mobile app, which is first in Southeast Asia, Pulse survey mobile app. So, and as well, I think we have this raffle. So, doon sa yung pinakamatanda, did you win the prize? Relo? No, I think you're the first table of the eight. Si gutom na mo sa yung mga may edad. This table, these two eat na, they need to take their bets. So, yes, so tama kayo. Let's go. And also our marketing department prepared. So what Martin said, that we will give prizes. So I think, before the prize I think we need to have our dinner because, like I said, some of you, I'm sure, travel very far, traffic pa, you need to eat. You need to converse with everybody. And this night, appreciation night, just so you know, it's not just to thank you, but also as a form of networking, different companies, different people. Okay, friendship with this through this night. Okay, so let's start now with our dinner. Starting with the oldest. Please ready the canes and the walkers for the first VIP table. Yes.